Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve upselling techniques with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for upselling apps in the Shopify App Store. Choose an upselling app that fits your business needs. Click on the app, then select Add App to install it. Authorize the app and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, go back to the Apps section on your dashboard. Open the upselling app you've installed. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its capabilities. Look for options to create personalized product recommendations. Set up upsell offers for specific products that complement one another. Customize the appearance of upsell notifications to match your store's branding. Consider adding upsell offers on the product pages, cart, and checkout page. Enable any automated features that trigger upsell suggestions based on customer behavior. Test the upselling functionality to ensure it works seamlessly. Analyze the app's analytics and reporting tools to track performance. Adjust your upselling strategies based on customer interaction and conversion rates. Continue to refine your offers to enhance customer experience and boost sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.